Hi, my name is Dan Brady. I'm originally from Chicago. I've been here in Vegas for 20 years. My art is experimental. I don't restrict myself. I love painting, drawing, photography. Wetlands Park is beautiful. I come here all the time and I really just want to showcase its beauty and highlight what I see here and just how special this place really is. I think it's an important resource to take note of and to learn about. For my piece, I wanted to showcase and literally reflect the environment here, but also to show the delicate balance between human interaction and the natural world.